Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have a very special challenge. Can you pass the ultimate English test? 15 questions standing between you and perfect English. From A2 all the way to B1. But be careful. Question 13 has eliminated everyone so far. Are you ready? Let's find out. All right, let's start easy. Or is it easy? Question number 1 for $100. She blank to school every day. Question number 2 for $200. This one tricks millions of English learners. How blank milk do you want? Question 3 for $500. Pay close attention to this one. There blank a cat and 2 dogs in the garden. Question 4 for $2,000. I blank born in 1995. Last question of Phase 1. Question 5 for $2,000. Blank, you like some coffee. Stop right there. You've just reached your first safety net. Congratulations, you have officially proven that your English is A2 level. But here's the real question. Can you handle B1? The next 5 questions are a completely different level. Are you brave enough to continue? Let's go. Welcome to Phase 2. Things are about to get real. Question 6 for $5,000. She has been working here blank 2019. Question 7 for $10,000. Warning, this question has eliminated 70% of players so far. By the time he arrived, she blank already left. Question 8 for $25,000. I am not used to blank so early. Question 9 for $50,000. Neither the students nor the teacher blank ready. The final question of Phase 2, Question 10 for $100,000. If I blank you, I would apologize. Ladies and gentlemen, you have just reached safety net number 2. Let me say this clearly. You are officially B1 level. That puts you ahead of 60% of English learners worldwide. But here's what I need to know. Are you exceptional? Because the next 5 questions are B1 plus to B2. Only the top students can answer these correctly. Do you dare to continue? I hope you do, because this is where it gets absolutely incredible. Let's go for the million. Welcome to the danger zone. Question 11 for $250,000. She suggested blank to the cinema. Question 12 for $500,000. The report blank by tomorrow morning. Question 13 for $600,000. This is the question that has stopped everyone. He denied blank the money. Two questions left. Question 14 for $750,000. $500,000 on the line. Blank he study, blank he will succeed. This is it. Final question. Question 15. $1 million on the line. I wish I'd blank more time to study yesterday. Wow, what an incredible journey. From A2 all the way to B1 plus. Let me ask you something. How many questions do you get right? Write your score in the comments below. I want to see how many millionaires we have today. Money. If you got 1 to 5, you're on your A2 journey. Keep going. If you got 6 to 10, you're solid B1. Be proud. If you got 11 to 13, you're exceptional. Seriously. And if you got 14 to 15, you are an English genius. And I need you to subscribe right now. Because next time, we're going from B2 to C1. And trust me, it's going to be even more intense. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. And I will see you in the next challenge. Take care, everyone. Bye.